I've seen so many people asking questions about these new coloured rings in the professional dashboard, so here's the breakdown. It's Facebook's way of gamifying your creator journey to help you stay consistent with your growth goals. First, the blue ring tracks your post volume. It's checking that you're showing up consistently with all of your content, whether that's reels, photos, or text posts. Second, the orange ring tracks your stories. This keeps you visible through quick daily updates that keep your page top of mind for your followers. And third, the pink ring measures your reception. This is all about audience interaction. It tracks how people are commenting and reacting to your post. Now the goal is to close these rings every single week. When you hit these targets, you're signaling to the algorithm that you're a consistent, active creator. So stop treating this like a chore. Treat it like a roadmap for your reach. If you have found this helpful, let a friend know so they can check their dashboard too. To keep those blue and orange rings closed every single week, you need to master your posting rhythm. The blue ring is all about your main content, whether it's high quality reels, a photo or a text post. The key is showing up regularly. Don't worry about perfection every single time. Just focus on maintaining a steady flow so your audience and the algorithm knows that you're active. The orange ring is for your stories. These don't need to be highly produced. Quick behind the scenes updates or a simple thought from your day are perfect here. It's all about keeping your profile top of mind. Consistency is the secret sauce for both. If you found this helpful, let a friend know so they can hit their goals too. The pink ring or the reception target is often the hardest to close. This tracks how the audience actually interacts with you. If the ring is stuck, it's a sign to take a look at your engagement. Are you giving people a reason to comment? Start asking direct questions in your captions, use a poll or post content that invites a reaction. Remember, reception isn't just about the number of likes, it's about the quality of the conversation. The more you encourage people to comment, save or react, the faster the pink ring will fill up. Focus on your audience, not just your output. If you found this helpful, let a friend know so they can improve their reach too. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. My name's lathonmb and some of my other videos should be popping up around now, so don't forget to give them a watch. And you know what I always say, I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra!